once those 6 apartments are rented out, what taxes apply?
First, we need to consider what taxes apply at the acquisition of those 6 apartments, and then we can discuss the taxes applying when we are renting them out. So firstly, when a property is being sold, there is either VAT or transfer fees. If the purchase is from a developer, then only VAT applies. And if it's a resale, then transfer fees apply. Never there is VAT and transfer fees at the same time. The purchase of a property is completed when the title deed is registered on the name of the buyer, and on the day of title registration, the land registry office estimates the market value of the property and charge the buyer transfer fees. Those transfer fees range from 3 to 8%. It is worth noting though that there is currently a 50% discount on the transfer fees to be paid. There is also another levy where the seller is paying it, 0.4% on the value the land registry decides that is the market value of the property. When a Cyprus company owns rental property, the tax implications are completely different from owning the rental property as an individual. The rental income earned by a Cyprus company is subject to corporation tax, which is currently a flat rate of 12.5% after deducting any expenses related to the property. Another contribution called special defense contribution, which is similar to individuals. Companies pay special defense contribution at the rate of 3% to the 75% of the gross rental income. This special defense contribution does not apply though in cases of Airbnb. If you are an individual and you own a property that is being rented out, you pay general healthcare system contribution. If you are the owner of a company, then there is no such contribution. Companies do not pay general healthcare system contributions. And lastly, VAT. VAT on short-term rental, short-term meaning a few days to a few weeks for tourist accommodation mainly, is subject to a reduced VAT rate of 9% instead of 19%, provided of course that the VAT authorities pre-approve the discounted VAT rate of 9%. VAT is not applicable on leasing of properties used for residential purposes. For example, the company being the owner rents the 6 apartments to 6 different individuals, and those individuals are using it as their residential apartment, then the VAT is not applicable. And lastly, the owner should also consider some other small levies, for example, municipality taxes, garbage collection fees, water, electricity fees, communal fees in case of a complex. And this usually, who pays them is a matter of agreement between the landlord and the tenant who will pay what.